Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Turn the Pioneer radio on and press source to reach the main mode. Make sure the vehicle is parked and audio is safe to adjust. Press and hold menu for 5 seconds to open the settings menu on many models. Use the rotary knob or arrow keys to navigate the menu. Look for Bluetooth, BT, or connection settings listed in the options. Select that entry to access paired device management and further deletion commands. Choose the paired device name in the Bluetooth list and press Enter to view details. Confirm you selected the correct phone by checking its name and last connection time. Select Delete, Remove, or Forget, and then confirm by pressing OK or YES. Some Pioneer units require pressing and holding the rotary knob for 3 seconds to finalize deletion. Wait for the display message that confirms the device was removed from the paired list before proceeding. If you need to remove every device, choose Clear All or Reset Bluetooth in the settings. That command erases every paired device and restores Bluetooth defaults instantly. After deletion, power cycle the radio by turning the vehicle ignition off and then on. Rebooting ensures cached entries clear from memory. To reconnect, open your phone Bluetooth, scan for the Pioneer unit, and enter the pairing code shown. Test audio and calling features to confirm the new connection works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.